Hello and welcome in another video. Today I'm showing you Audi Q4 that we already started work on. So we are in the process, and what we're doing is we're upgrading the car with keyless entry, the advanced key. So that is the feature that you can get close to the car. The car will unlock itself when you approach it. You can see the antennas already installed on the door handles here, and one is also here. You can see on the other side you have to strip on the panels. So the car is stripped down in certain different areas at the moment because we are in the middle of it, but just want to show you as I caught up to this installation today. So I'm recording it as we go along. So this is being done, so we'll show you when it's all completed. That's one of another upgrades that we can offer for you. So we are continuing doing the work, and as soon as it's ready, we'll record it for you when it's done, so we can show you the performance of it and give you a bit more information. Right, the job is completed. We had the car out and had it washed because it was full of our finger marks and all that. So we got it ready, so I can show you now the full keyless entry upgrade done on this Q4. I'm sorry for the some background noise, but we have some construction next to us going on, so there's some noise coming up. But other than that, have a look at the car. So I've got one key, I've got the other inside the office, but we're just going to work with one key because you get confused when you try to approach it with two at the same time. So I'm approaching now the car, not touching anything. If you put your hand here, it unlocks, and immediately you can open the car, and that's how it works. Now, to lock it, you just have to touch on the point here and it locks. So I'm going to show you again because I've just missed the mirrors locking. So let me just do that. So I'm going to put my hands to open it. So that opens, it's open. I'm close the car. So you can see the mirror is unfolded. So I'm going to just gently touch on this newly installed point here, which got the special design area for that. And you see the mirrors are folded, so the car is fully locked now. So the interesting thing about this upgrade on this car is that usually the detection antennas are installed in the rear doors, but on this model they are all installed in the wheel arches. An interesting one from the installation point of view, all done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. If you like upgrade like this, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.